Classic design with versatile control options for effortless light management, showcasing the innovation of smart motorized shades. Rolling up-down design allows light to filter through without obstructing your view. Easy operation with a motorized remote control, raising and lowering the shade is effortless. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. After determining the position, punch the holes. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Then secure the mounting brackets. Finally, insert the headrail into the brackets. Punch holes for remote holder. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Note the positive and negative orientation of the backplate. Mount bracket backplate. Install the remote control holder. Secure the remote with the holder. Smart motorized Roman shades seamlessly control light across your home.